And we are in the Rimor booth checking out this new Rimor Horus 52 with a complete new interior design and some pretty interesting features. Checking up the actual specs, and the complete price for this example is 53,000 euros. And I will be stepping in so we understand what they have done and actually what they have tried to fit in this 540 van. We can check already, we have the folding table with this pretty comfy sitting area. And then on this part we have the standard, pretty unique double cooking and sink option. And then I'm not sure how to open this. Okay, so we have a pretty uniquely designed kitchen cabinet, and under it we have 3 additional cabinets for your kitchenware. And from actual size, it's not bad at all. And then we have a Dometic 70-liter fridge, pretty standard. And on this side, we have some hooks to hang out your jackets. And then this is a pretty micro-styled bathroom. Well, I will not fit inside, so yeah. But there you have it. And then we have the actual bedding that I will be measuring from the back. And this is made by the Fiat Ducato new chassis for the 225 version, 2025. Let's go on the back. And we are checking this bright new design with different cabinet styling for your belongings, and there's also the cabinet to hang out your clothes on that part. 2 cabinets from this part right here, and we shall be measuring this actual bed 1.263, and from that side 1.427, so it's lower for the lower leg parts. And then we can measure the actual garage space, approximate 1.882 and 0.63, and this is the space for your guest house. And also we have additional space in this cabinet styled from that side and also from this side. This is the new Rimor Horus 54 with the new interior.